all right. There is a little twist in this sum as compared to the previous one. Okay, see, you have to put into your mind, okay, whenever you are starting a car or a bicycle, okay, then you can start from a rest, isn't it? But whenever you are stopping a car or a bicycle, okay, or motorbikes, do you stop from the rest? You are already moving, that means, right? That is why you will be stopping, right? Whenever you are stopping, that means you are already moving. Okay, whenever you are starting, that means you are in the rest. Okay, now you see here, this is the case of stopping. Till now the two sums we did, okay, this was the case of starting, okay, and this was the case of continuous moment, right? You just write in your book somewhere, okay, this is the case when we were starting to ride, okay, and this was the case when we were already riding, and in middle you were told to find out the acceleration, and then you were told to find out the distance, okay, and here you are already riding and you are told to stop. Okay, this is the case of stopping. That means in this case v will be 0. Okay, final velocity will be 0, because finally what you are doing, you are stopping. Okay, that means you are not moving. Okay, then and u will not be 0 in this case. Okay, if v is also 0, u is also 0, that means you are not in motion only, right? So what is the point of all this calculation? So in this case your v is 0 but u is not 0, you are already moving. Okay, so you are stopping. See, the brake applied to a car produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second square. This is acceleration in the opposite direction to the motion. That means, say you are riding a cycle, okay, you are applying a brake, so that brake will lead you to front or back. Obviously the brake will lead you to back, isn't it? It will not let you go further. Okay, it will bring you back, it will decrease your speed, and if the speed is decreasing, okay, then that change is, when the speed is decreasing, there is also change in your velocity, isn't it? Acceleration means change in velocity, no matter it is increasing your speed or decreasing the speed. If your velocity is changing, that is known as acceleration. And in this case what is happening, acceleration is just stopping us, right? It is not letting us go further. That means this is a negative case of acceleration. Okay, negative acceleration I taught you, that is also known as retardation, isn't it? Now you see, you have and then if the car takes 2 seconds to stop after the application of brake, calculate the distance it traveled during this time. So you are given with acceleration, okay, you are given with time, okay, and you have to calculate s. Okay, so here we have been given acceleration is minus 6 meter per second square, because this is negative acceleration, because it is not letting us move, it is instead letting us stop, right? Time is 2 seconds and v is equal to 0, right? Because we are finally stopping after applying brake. And then now v equals to u plus at, so we took out the u. By using these formula, we have a, we have t, we have v, we can find out u easily, so we found out u. Okay, and we have to calculate the distance, so we are using this formula, right? We could have used another also. We have everything, right? 2as equals to v square minus u square, that also you could have used, or you can use this also. We are just placing the value and we are finding out the distance, that is 12 meter. Okay, I hope you got the thing. First we are taking out u and then we are taking out distance. Okay.